Well, an update on the Z. A couple weeks back, a huge object came flying up off the road and landed right on the front of it. So unfortunately, you might be able to notice that the front end is smashed out. So today, I'm going to start working on removing the front bumper. A couple highlights. You've got the headlight is smashed, the washer's smashed, the pull tie, this tab is gone, both grills are smashed, it's scraped up across the nose, it's got scratches on the hood. It also took out the vent and snapped the shrouds on this side. So overall, not too cool, but we'll see if we can fix it up. I really hope so. I've got my 20th wedding anniversary coming up in just about a week. So I'm going to see if I can get this at least a little bit more presentable, because I was hoping to take it on the trip. Yeah, that's what today's about.
Oh, it's so gorgeous, Nate.